Welcome back to Neo's Science Lab. Today we are learning about something that has been happening on Earth for 4 billion years! And it is happening right now outside your window. Do you know where rain comes from? Do you know where puddles go after it stops raining? Today we are going to find out everything!
Look at that rain. Every single drop you see right now is part of the most amazing cycle on Earth. And it never, ever stops.
It all starts here, the ocean. The sun heats up the water on the surface. And something amazing starts to happen.
See that puddle getting smaller? The sun is turning that water into something invisible called water vapor. It is rising up into the sky right now. Time to rise, little one.
Whoa, I feel so light. I am going up. Even though you cannot see it, there are millions of tiny water particles floating up into the sky right now. This is called evaporation, stage 1 of the water cycle. Bye-bye, ocean. I am going on an adventure. And that is evaporation. The water goes up. But where does it go next?
The water vapor keeps rising higher and higher, and up there it gets cold, really cold, and something incredible starts to happen.
There are so many of us up here. We are sticking together. We are becoming something bigger.
Welcome, everyone. Come join me. You're making a cloud.
When water vapor gets cold, it turns back into tiny water droplets. Those cluster together and make a cloud. This is called condensation. I am so fluffy.
The cloud gets bigger and heavier. I am so full, I cannot hold it much longer. Until it just cannot hold anymore. Look at that. Each one of those drops was water vapor just minutes ago. Now it is rain. This is called precipitation. Stage 3.
I cannot hold it anymore. This is exactly what you were supposed to do. Oh, that feels so much better. Precipitation is not just rain. Sometimes it comes down as snow. Sometimes as hail. It all depends on how cold it is up there.
And look at snow. Every single snowflake is completely unique. No two are ever the same. Is that not the most amazing thing you have ever heard?
Now the rain has to go somewhere. It collects in oceans, in rivers, in lakes, even underground. This is stage 4, collection.
All that rain flows down the mountains, into rivers, and back into the ocean. It is finding its way home.
And some water goes underground. Right beneath your feet right now, there is water hiding in the ground. We call it groundwater. It is so cozy down here. Wow! I made it back. I was a vapor, I was a cloud, I was rain, and now I am home. And the cycle starts all over again. Forever! Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection. 4 stages, 1 never-ending cycle. This is the water cycle.
And here is the most incredible part. The water you drink today is the same water that the dinosaurs drank. The water cycle has been running.
I am very well traveled. And you can actually see the whole cycle happening right here in nature. The ocean, the clouds, the rain, the rivers, all connected, all happening right now.
Evaporation starting in 3, 2, 1.
And that was the water cycle. Remember, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection. Neo, out.
Curious, 9 left. Like, follow, stay curious. Neo out.